Hey, it's me, Tenia Marie, and if hair is your thing, stick around. This video today is a hair tutorial. Alright, welcome back. So today we are doing a hair tutorial, and this tutorial will show you how to achieve a really big, fluffy, but well-defined twist out. You'll see here that I am two-strand twisting my hair. I have 4 sections. I always part my hair into 4 sections whenever I do these two-strand twists. Let's get a zoom in for that curl action. Yes, beautiful. I start on freshly washed and air-dried hair. I am using 2 products to achieve this style. I will put in the description box below which products that I used. For this particular style, I only had to use 2 things, and that was a leave-in conditioner and a styling cream. Over this summer, I have fallen crazy in love with Taliah Waajid's hairline. My hair stays moisturized and really defined for like days. I could really go for days after washing my hair and styling it, and wake up the next day and my hair is still full of curls and defined. So that is a huge plus. Alright, so stay tuned and you'll just be seeing how I do each section. I sped it up a little bit because this video would have been super long if I did not. We are all done. There's a quick shot of the back, a bunch of beautiful 2-strand twists, and this took me almost an hour to fully do everything. I had a few stops in between because life. But this is one of my favorite styles to do. Even though it does take a little while, it lasts a long time, and it helps that you have the right products. So here are the results. I opted to do 2 flat twists in the front and put some hair jewelry in there to kind of dress it up. But yeah, there you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.